never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be styling this wig from AFSISTER. This is their Silky Straight Ciara inspired wig, and the hairline does come pre-plucked. This is not a full lace wig, it is a lace front wig and it is 12 inches long. So here I have applied the wig by using the got to be glued tack down method. And right here, I'm just kind of trying to show you guys that it's like really voluminous on the top and it needs to be like flattened out more. It doesn't look realistic right now. So of course, I'm going to go ahead and grab some water in a spray bottle and just begin spraying that area so it can help to manipulate the area so that it can flatten out a little bit. And once I've sprayed water all over the area, I'm going to go ahead and start to blow dry it and kind of help mold it into the style that I want it to be. Now it still isn't as flat as I would like for it to be, but I'm going to go in later again and work on that some more. But for right now, I'm going to work on this hairline a little bit. I like to have some baby hairs, so I'm going to start to, you know, separate this pre-plucked area off and just kind of cut some shorter baby hair type pieces. This definitely isn't something that I have to do. I just pretty much choose to do it all the time. But yeah, it's optional. Don't have to do this. So now I have my Organic styling gel, and I'm going to use this to help me style my newly created baby hairs. I feel like I definitely could have went in more and plucked the area, but I don't really wear my hair up in ponytails that much, so it isn't like that big of a deal for the hairline to be like super nice and perfect. I just like for the main areas that are going to be shown to look pretty put together. So then I just go in with some more Gots to Be holding spray to hold those new baby hairs in their place. And right here, y'all can just tell like it's still not how I want it to be. It just still looks lumpy, and that also kind of goes back into how I had my braids under this. I actually went back and changed the style of this wig because it was the braids that was messing it up, as well as just not having it all the way straightened out. But yeah, I eventually go back and fix that. But for right now, I just was straightening it to try to help with making the top part flatten out some. And I really like this wig because like styling it right now was super easy. It literally takes less than 3 minutes. All you gotta do is just go in and straighten it, bump it a little bit if you want to, and you know, it's good to go. And then I also like to go in with some more Gots to Be hairspray to mist it just a little bit to get rid of like those flyaways. Like this stuff really helps with that. But you don't want to use too much because it will make your hair crunchy. But anyways, the color job of this wig is amazing. It's like the perfect blonde color. Alright y'all, so I had to definitely come and hop on here to show y'all how I really wore this wig, because in these previous clips I'm not feeling how it looked. I actually went back, took the wig off, washed it, and restyled it on my head. At first I had like some baby hairs here in the front, took those away and just laid it down regularly, and kind of did like a little bit of baby hairs here on the side. Kind of come a little close, let y'all see. So these ain't even really no baby hairs, but it's just like, you know, trying to make it look a little natural like. But yeah, I took them away right here. So yeah, once I went ahead and redid my braids and all of that, reapplied the wig, and only did the baby hairs on the side, I really like how it looks now. It's laying really nice now. It's super cute and I love this wig. Shout out to AF Sister. Came in this box here. It shipped DHL and I got it real quick. And within the packaging, they also sent over some extra goodies. They sent over some wig caps. They sent both a black one, which this is a 2-pack, so you get 2 black ones. And then they also sent over this color. This one doesn't match my skin tone, so I couldn't do the stocking cap method with this wig. But if this matches yours, you can use this to do the stocking cap method. I could also go buy some wig caps that I would need to do that. But yeah, for right now, I just tacked it down with my regular Gots to Be glue. But yeah, so since I've restyled the wig, like, I am super loving it. I've always wanted to try out something that was like really bold and out there blonde, but I hadn't did it yet. But this, like, I'm really feeling it. I like how it's the blonde, but the roots are like this dark chocolate brown color. I think it looks super cute. My sister said I look like Diamond from Crown Mom. Now I got 32 flavors of that bootylicious bubblegum, raspberry, grape, cherry. Come and get this honey bun. But yeah, y'all, this wig is like super nice. It's really soft. I washed it a few times already. And to style it, it doesn't take no time. When I just want to wear it straight, after I blow dry it, it dries super fast actually. So when I blow dry it, I go ahead and straighten it. That takes like less than 10 minutes. So it's super easy to style. It's like a definite go-to wig for the summertime when you just want to step out with some color. So I'm loving it, y'all. Like, the hair is like super silky nice. I also like the fact that the length is super natural. It's not like a whole lot of hair, so this looks like, see, it's not like real thick, but it ain't like too thin either. It looks real natural. But yeah, I really like that. But yeah, your girl's loving this hair. I want to thank AF Sister for collaborating with me and for being such great communicators. Like the lady that I've been talking with for this collaboration, she's been super nice. The customer service is really nice. The shipping's been great. And yeah, I'm really just loving this wig, y'all. Like, I'm feeling it. So I'm definitely going to continue to wear this wig for the rest of July. I don't know, I might even wear it through August. I am loving this one, y'all. But yeah, if y'all like it, let me know in the comments below. Let your girl know if you're feeling this new wig. This is probably one of my new favorites. Definitely a go-to. You know, just something to spice it up a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're instantly notified for whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Your girl is out. Deuces.
Yeah, couple years ago, man, this shit was just a dream to me. Young nigga got a block hot now. Yeah, every single thing a nigga drop hot now. I've been trying to get it on the low. Been putting in work and it shows. A lot of people, they done got ghosts.